EPLANT-Piping Basic tutorial. This video shows how to create an equipment nozzle from a copy of an existing one and change afterwards its characteristics. Any element created with the plant can be copied with the copy native cut command, keeping all its attributes intact. If we need to add a different nozzle, we can copy an existing one and modifying it with the Modify Nozzle command. We select the nozzle to be modified, and all its parameters can be changed. We can check that both nozzles are now different.